You know, if you've ever felt totally overwhelmed by all the make money online advice out there, you're definitely not alone. Most of it is just noise. This is different. We're going to cut through all of that and distill it into a single, powerful playbook for building a real online business, step by step.
And this is the real question, isn't it? In a digital world that's changing practically every single day, how do you know you're not missing some huge opportunity? Well, stick around, because we're about to break down exactly what is working right now.
So, here's our game plan. It's broken down into 4 super clear, actionable pillars. We're going to start by crafting your product. Then we'll find your audience. After that, we build a brand that people actually trust. And finally, we'll pour some rocket fuel on the whole thing with AI. Ready? Let's dive into pillar 1.
First up, creating your product. I mean, you can't sell anything if you don't have something to sell, right? This is all about crafting an offer that's valuable and just irresistible. And here's the cool part, you probably already have the main ingredient. You just don't see it yet.
This idea right here, it can be a total game changer. So many of us think we need to go learn some brand new, complicated skill to make it online. But what if your most profitable asset is already sitting on your resume, just hidden in plain sight?
And here's exactly how you find it. This isn't just theory, it's a 30-second action plan. You literally take your resume or your job history, you feed it to an AI like ChatGPT, and you ask it to find the daily problems you solve. Why? Because those problems, that's what people will pay you to solve for them. It's that simple.
Okay, so you've found your skill. Awesome. Now, how do you package it up? Just think of it like a ladder. You start small, with a focused ebook that solves one very specific problem. From there, you can level up that same idea into a more valuable mini-course. And the top rung of that ladder? A community, which gives you that sweet, recurring, predictable income. It's a proven path.
All right, your product is ready to go. Fantastic. But a great product is totally useless if nobody ever sees it. And that brings us to pillar number 2, getting in front of the people who actually want to buy what you're selling. Let's talk traffic.
So just look at this number for a second. $27,000. That's not a one-time thing, that's a monthly figure. And it's being generated right now by selling simple digital products on a platform that most marketers are completely ignoring. Let me show you how.
And here it is, the whole strategy in a nutshell. The Threads blueprint. It's a perfect little loop. You find your niche, you use AI to create the content for your product, you set up a simple online store, and then you use the Threads platform itself to talk to people and drive them right to your store. It's a completely self-contained ecosystem for making sales.
And hey, this isn't just about Threads. Check out this timeline for YouTube. Someone got monetized in just 28 days. How'd they do it? Well, they used features like premieres to signal to the algorithm that their stuff was important. And they used a really clever strategy called the Jackie flywheel. All that means is using an email list to send a massive wave of viewers to a new video the second it drops. That basically tells YouTube, hey, pay attention, this is important. Now look, if creating your own product from scratch sounds a little daunting, there's another way to get started. You can sell other people's proven products through affiliate marketing. The game is basically the same. You use a platform like ClickBank to find a winning product, and then you focus all your energy on mastering just one skill, driving targeted traffic to a sales page. Okay, so getting traffic is one thing, but we all know that can disappear overnight. Pillar 3 is all about building something that actually lasts. We're shifting our focus from chasing clicks to building a brand that people know, like, and genuinely trust.
This quote, this is everything. It comes from the marketing genius behind massive brands like Alex Hormozi and Gary Vee. Just think about it for a second. Would you rather have a video go viral for one day or build a foundation of trust that creates customers for life? That's the key to a business that actually sticks around.
So, how do we build that authority in today's world? It's all about preparing for a world where AI-powered search is king. This chart breaks it down super simply. First, the technical stuff. Just make sure AI crawlers can actually read your site. Second, what's on your site? Write your content in a way that Google's AI wants to feature it in its summaries. And third, off-site stuff. Build your reputation on other platforms so Google sees you as a true authority in your space.
And you know, a huge part of your brand is just controlling your own story. You have to actively manage what people see when they Google your name. The strategy is pretty straightforward. You have your own personal website as your home base, you use AI to pump out tons of positive on-brand content all over the web, and then you promote that content to literally push any negative stuff off of page 1. You're playing both offense and defense at the same time.
And this brings us to our final pillar, The one that acts as a force multiplier for everything we've just talked about, the AI Power-Up. AI isn't just a tool for writing blog posts anymore. It's a strategic partner that can amplify every single part of your business.
You know, the real difference between getting generic junk versus brilliant results from AI, it's all in the prompt. Look at the one on the left. Write a blog post about SEO. You're going to get garbage. But on the right, you see an advanced prompt using a framework. All this really means is you're giving the AI a specific role to play, super clear instructions, and examples of what you want. The output you get is just leagues ahead in quality.
And honestly, it gets even cooler than that. You can use advanced techniques like the failure-first method, where you ask the AI to predict how an idea will fail so you can build a much stronger plan from the start. Or my personal favorite, the viral structure hijacker, where you can feed it a successful article or video and ask it to break down the psychological framework so you can use it yourself. It's all about working so much smarter, not harder.
And this is how it all connects. See, it's not a checklist, it's a cycle, it's a flywheel for your business. You craft a product, you find an audience, you build a brand they trust, and you use AI to accelerate every single step. Each piece feeds the next one, creating this unstoppable momentum.
And that's it. That is the entire playbook. It's a clear path from a simple idea to a profitable online business. All the strategies, all the tools, they're right here. So the only real question left is the one you see on your screen. You have the playbook. What are you going to build first?